svetleće traka na podu uputit će vas ka najbližem izlazu. U slučaju evakuacije pratite instrukcije posade. Floor path marking will guide you to the nearest exit in the unlikely event of evacuation. Follow the cabin crew instructions. U džepu sedište ispred vas nalazi se uputstvo za postupke u vanrednim situacijama. Molimo vas da uputstvo pažljivo proučite i vratite na isto mesto za dalju upotrebu. The safety instruction card is located in the seat pocket in front of you. Study it carefully and please return it to its place for further use. Inflated by pulling the red steps or by blowing into the mouthpiece. Inflate the life jacket when outside the aircraft or step out on the wing, never before. Prstuk ima i silicu koja se aktivira povlačenjem pločice u dodiru sa vodom. Your life jacket is equipped with fly valve which will be activated. Gospodo, molimo vas da vežete pojas dok sedite, kao i kada je uključen znak za obavezno vezivanje. Ukoliko spavate, molimo vas da vaš pojas bude vezan i vide u kabinskoj posadi. Pušenje i korišćenje elektronskih cigareta zabranjeno je u svim delovima aviona, uključujući i toalete koji su opremljeni detektorima za dim. Napominjemo da je konzumiranje alkohola dozvoljeno samo ukoliko posluži naša kabinska posada. Predstavljamo vam i Air Srbija Etiket loyalty program, sakupite milje i koristite brojne pogodnosti. Naša kabinska posada vam je na raspolaganju za dodatne informacije. Hvala. Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelt while seated and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. If you wish to sleep, your seatbelt must be visible. Smoking and use of electronic cigarettes is not permitted anywhere on board the aircraft, including lavatories which are fitted with smoke detectors. Kindly be informed the only allowed on board alcoholic drink is the one that has been offered by our cabin crew. Let us introduce you a Serbia Etiket loyalty program. It allows you to earn miles and reward yourself with the various benefits. If you would like to join our program, we will be happy to assist you. Thank you. Dame i gospodo, naša kabinska posada će uskoro početi sa prodajom proizvoda iz Eleva i Delija Ambara Sotimana. Brošura sa detaljnom ponudom nalazi se u džepovima sedište ispred vas. Gotovinsko plaćanje moguće u dinarima ili evrima, takođe plaćanje moguće izvršiti kreditnim karticama. Ladies and gentlemen, our cabin crew will be starting the in-flight service shortly. You have the opportunity to buy products from our Eleva i Delija Ambara selection. In the seat pocket in front of you, you may find the Eleva i Delija Ambara brochure with product and price information. Cash payments can be made in dinars and euros. Your purchase can be made by credit cards too. Doći će, spustite ruku kad i otvorite zavesice na prozorima. Mobilni telefoni moraju da budu isključeni ili podešeni na režim letenja, svi ostali uređaji moraju da budu isključeni. Tokom pripreme za sletanje nismo u mogućnosti da nastavimo servis. Hvala. Ladies and gentlemen, we have commenced our descent to Belgrade in preparation for arrival. Place your luggage in your overhead stowage compartments or under the seat in front of you. Please make sure that your seat back is upright, armrests down, tray table secured and window blinds open. Mobile phones are required to be switched off or set to flight mode. All other electronic devices must be switched off. During our preparation for arrival, we are required to suspend the service. Thank you for your understanding. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on our final approach. Please fasten your seatbelts and upright your seat back. Thank you. gospodo, dobrodošli u Beograd. Lokalno vreme je 15 časova 55 minuta, temperatura iznosi 27 stepeni Celzijusa. Molimo vas da ostanete na sedištima dok se avion potpuno ne zaustavi, dok se ne isključi znak za vezivanje pojaseva. Budite pažljivi prilikom odvaranja gornjih polica i podsjećamo vas da pre izlaska iz aviona proverite da li ste poneli sav prtljak. Nadamo se da vam je let bio prijetan. U ime kapetana i mojih kolega zahvaljujemo vam se što ste leteli Air Srbijom i radujemo se novom susretu na nekom od naših sledećih letova. Posjetite naš website airserbia.com ili nas pratite na društvenim mrežama. Hvala još jednom i doviđenja. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Belgrade. The local time is 55 minutes past 3 p.m. and the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius scale. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. We kindly ask you to take care when opening overhead storage compartments and please ensure you collect all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. We hope you had a comfortable flight with us. On behalf of the captain and my colleagues, thank you for flying Air Serbia. We're looking forward to welcoming you again. For your next flight, please visit airserbia.com and feel free to follow us on social media. Thank you and goodbye.
Descend dans le 5, je vous dis,